Is ChatGPT not available in your country? Well, the quickest and easiest solution to bypass this is a VPN. Stick around to the end of the video to see which provider is the best VPN for ChatGPT. So, the reason you're not able to access ChatGPT from your location is because certain countries are currently blocking the program altogether. When your IP address location is detected, you'll instantly see ChatGPT is not supported in my country. So exactly how does ChatGPT work with VPN providers then? Well, it allows you to change your IP address to a place where ChatGPT actually is available, making the site think you're not in an inaccessible location. So when you're searching for the best VPN for ChatGPT, the most important factors are the servers, security features, and of course, the price. Having a good variety of servers ensures that even if some locations aren't accessible, there are still plenty more to choose from. High quality security measures are always a must-have for me, but one that's extra useful when picking a ChatGPT VPN is obfuscated servers. These can mask the fact that you're using a VPN altogether, which is ideal considering many websites and governments nowadays are on a role-blocking VPN use. So which VPN provider is able to cover all these bases while keeping an affordable price? After trying out a fair few options, I found that NordVPN is the best VPN for ChatGPT overall. With over 5,700 servers to choose from in 60 different countries, I had no problem finding plenty of locations where ChatGPT is accessible. I especially appreciate the easy-to-use app design. The map allows me to browse available servers comfortably. And remember the obfuscated servers I mentioned earlier? Well, NordVPN also has a good variety of those, so I could hide my VPN use completely. I also found that NordVPN meets my checklist for included security measures. The kill switch comes in handy when using a VPN to access ChatGPT, as it ensures that I'm only connected to my network while I'm also connected to the VPN. That way, even if my VPN server connection is unstable, the site cannot notice my true location. Furthermore, there's a strict no logs policy, which means they can't save any of my online activity. So there quite literally won't be any record of when I've used ChatGPT or the rest of my browsing searches for that matter. Plus, NordVPN boosts my online anonymity by using RAM-only servers. This means all the information is completely wiped clean each time the VPN servers are rebooted. Now, I just don't have time to go over all the features that NordVPN's package includes, but the final ones I'll mention are the high-quality encryption, which is essentially unbreakable, plus the speeds are some of the fastest I've ever tested of any VPN provider on the market. You'll be able to enjoy all the features NordVPN offers on all major operating systems too. So whether you want to access ChatGPT on your desktop or mobile, there's an app available for download. The installation process itself is straightforward and easy, even for beginner users. First, you'll want to download and install NordVPN, which you can do right from their website or from the Google Play or Apple Store on mobile devices. Plus, once you've got it downloaded, you can use that discount link I left in the description to get the best possible price. Now that you've downloaded everything, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT with VPN. See all these servers here? Well, you'll simply want to connect to one in a location where ChatGPT is available. You can easily find a list of countries that allow ChatGPT online, and another little trick is to choose a server closest to your location to maintain the best speed and performance. So if you're connecting from maybe Egypt or Italy, using a French or German server would yield the best results. Or if you're located closer to, say, Hong Kong or Vietnam, the server in Japan is a great option. As you can see, when I try to access ChatGPT without enabling the VPN, it doesn't let me. But once I connect to a server and refresh the page, I'm good to go. Alright, so now that I've established that NordVPN not only provides access to ChatGPT, top-notch security measures, and is available on major operating systems, exactly how much will it cost you? Well, it's already very affordable, costing less than a cup of coffee each month. Remember, each NordVPN plan not only grants you access to ChatGPT, but offers lots of other benefits as well. You'll be able to access tons of new content from popular streaming services, and the P2P friendly servers are great for torrenting and gaming. Not to mention, it comes with a built-in threat protection feature, which acts as an antivirus. This will constantly monitor my device whenever I download a file, and let me know if there are any threats or malware lurking around. Keep in mind, if you ever find your ChatGPT VPN not working, there's 24/7 customer support at your service too. Alright, as you can see, there's no need to miss out on all the ChatGPT fun just because you're located in a place with limited access. Downloading NordVPN is a quick and affordable way to start using ChatGPT today. And don't forget to grab the link I've left in the description. It makes NordVPN's plan even cheaper. And who doesn't want to save a few bucks? And while you're at it, I'll see you in the next video. Come on, you still have time for one more, right? Who doesn't love a YouTube binge anyway? And the video on screen is definitely the droid you're looking for.